small kitchen. Today guys, I wanna show you how to cook a Filipino dish. It's a very tasty and delicious dish for lunch or for dinner. As we know, as everybody knows, that we Filipinos eat rice 3 times a day, and eating meat is, we can also eat meat in the breakfast, lunch, and evening together with rice. And of course, as you see, I am cooking rice in here. But the way I cook rice is something like the way of cooking rice that I learned in Israel when I was working in Israel. And today, we will start. So here, we have here a non-sticky pan, and we have here olive oil. Okay, let's put little olive oil, little, not so much. So, and then of course you have to put our onions. It's the onion. We have to cut it into cubes, and then wait until the onion will smell very good. Onion smells very good, so we have to put here 1/4 of minced meat. And we have here 1 piece of potato, and we sliced it into cubes. And we have here also green peas. Here. We have 1 piece of carrot, and we sliced it into cubes as well. Here. We slice also 2 pieces of tomato, sweet tomato. And we have here some pieces of olive. And of course we have some this. We have here noor. You see, this is very good when we cook. It's very tasty. And we have of course oregano. We have here black pepper. We have also ginger. It's a ginger powder. And of course, I always add garlic powder to my cooking. And we have here 2 pieces of boiled egg. Okay, so we'll make this a little bit okay. Yeah. Here you see it's half cooked now. So first what we're going to put this down. Sweet peas. And then we have to put also our carrots. This is very easy, guys. And then of course our chopped potatoes. Just mix it this way. It looks lovely, isn't it? Look guys, isn't it? It looks lovely. You know guys, in life, don't wait, my beloved Philippines. Our cooking is really delicious. And then we have to put now the tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. And of course we have to put also our olive. And then here we have our garlic powder. Here. So okay, and then we have here this noor. have to put half teaspoonful. Half is okay. And then we have this powdered ginger powder. Put some. And then our oregano, we will also put some. Not too much. And we have this black pepper powder. Put some. And that's it. We will just mix it and then wait until it is cooked. Okay. Leave it that way and then we will cover it and we will turn the fire into medium and leave it cook. Maybe it will take 10 minutes to cook. Okay, we will check our cooking. Oh, it looks delicious. It's really lovely. It looks lovely. Look. It's very colorful, yeah. Sometimes, if you don't have appetite or one of your family have no appetite to eat, the secret is that you cook a very colorful food and you will see they will eat. Especially our oldies, our elders, sometimes they don't want to eat. They think that the food, they don't have appetite to eat, And you know what you're going to do? We have to cook, we have to prepare a colorful food for them and you will see. We will gonna eat. Okay. Let's wait for another 5 minutes. Okay. Our noodle is already done. Harap naman nito. So, we have here the 2 eggs. Okay. We are done now. Let us taste it. Wow, I love it. And guys, when we are cooking something like this, and we put the vegetable, we don't need to let the vegetables overcook. It's much better cook but not overcook. Wow, you're gonna like it. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to tap the button bell for my next videos. Ciao, ciao!